What it do? What it do, man? We got some brand new stuff in the mail. I'm waiting on one more thing too. I got to get my new computer. It's on the way, but my other thing that came today. So let's do mail call today. Let's do mail call. Yeah, it's time to open up some shit. What you got, Sale? Okay. Hold on. Yeah, hold on. What you got, Sale? Hold on. So, hold on. Here we go, right here. Let me pull it back so y'all can see it. Yes, sir. Brand new off the press today. We got these. You know what I'm talking about? We in the studio today. Let me turn some lights on. Hold on. Let me show y'all. See these lights right here? Let me show y'all how to turn this shit on. Let me see. Let me show you how to turn this shit on from my phone. Hold on. Hold on. Let me turn y'all. See what I do? I'm gonna hit this button and watch all this shit. See this shit? All this shit gonna turn on. Watch this. Watch this. Bing. Hold on. I need all the lights to turn on. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Bing. Bing. There we go. Turn them on, goddammit. Flame on. There we go. All the lights is on. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, anyway. So we're going to open this up, man. I got to plug this shit up. That's right, baby. We done got into the drone business. Yeah, Vernon. Hold on, man. Set this right here on this computer. I'll do some shit. Hold on. I'm going to set it right here so y'all can see. We done got into the drone business. I got a lot to learn on this. Plus, I got a new computer that I had to get to help with my podcast. So I'm gonna be up on. I got to go to school these next couple of days. YouTube University. But I want to thank my man D for my man out of Detroit for giving me game on helping me pick the right drone. All I know is this shit costs a whole lot of goddamn money that I don't have. So this the controller. Check this right here. Wow, this looks nice. Right now I just want to plug it up. I don't want to do nothing but just plug the shit up, ready to be charged when I get ready to play with it. Oh shit. Come on, Sal, don't be dropping shit. You can't afford to drop shit. Alright, hold on. So that's the controller. I didn't have to get the controller, but I'd rather get the controller. Okay, got the power brick. That's what I was looking for. Alright, bam. Boom, boom, boom. Now we're going to power you up, kiddo. What do we got to do? We got to put the sticks on here. We got on, off. Okay. Yeah. In the game, Playboy. Looks like this where you go. It's a USB-C too. I love that. So that means we're going to be droning at pound for pound. Tampa. We're going to be droning. But anyway, look at this. So y'all can see that. That's what I got. And I'm waiting on my computer. I got a badass computer coming. Who it is calling? Hold on. Big Sal.
Hello?
What up, Big Sal?
Sal,
Yeah.
Jersey.
What up, Jerry?
What's going on? Hey, I'm about to send you a text. I want you to read this story about this man that old man who he just lost everything in Congress.
Okay.
All right, let me see if y'all can do anything to help him.
Let me know. Shoot it to me.
All right.
Like.
What?
Okay, my other phone ringing now. Hold on, where you at? Hold on. Hey, RJ, I was calling you about, I didn't know what to send you as far as the tax stuff. I just copied everything and sent it. Everything I had, I just copied and sent it. Oh, no. Trust me, bro. When you don't, I already know you're going to call back, so you good. I was just making sure I didn't know, like all the food receipts. You don't need you need all my food receipts, or you going to do that on, you just... Okay. Because we don't need to do gas because I got the gas account, so you just pull that up on one, right? Okay. But anything else I buy, like I had to buy spray paint for the bed the other day, then I had to buy more tape to tape the bed, stuff like that. You need all that type of stuff. Okay. Okay. Well, I sent you an email today. You got about 30-something pieces of paper, pieces on there. So, all right. All right, and I just bought this drone too, so I'm gonna see this receipt. I got the drone and my new computer, so trying to get into the other part of this game with this, trying to go to the next level. So, yeah, I bought. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. I'm gonna be doing whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing whatever with it. So, but I definitely got it. But that's what I had called you for, Chief. All right. Oh, you know what? I might have, let me check. Let me double check. 'Cause I was over there and I forgot. To be honest, RJ, I forgot all about it. I ain't gonna tell you no lie. I'll dig into it and check it out right now. All right. Yeah. Sorry about that, y'all. Anyway, unboxing. Go out the way, microphone. That was my accountant. You understand me? That was my accountant. I had to go to the bank too. Yeah, what do we have here? Big Sale has moved into the drone business. What is this? Hold on. I just gonna forgot enough tape on it. All right, so hold on, y'all. Let's open this up. I just want to plug everything up because I gotta go do a tow. All right. Excuse me. Look at that. Look at this case. This is so cute. Phil, you got the case and everything. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh, look at this. This is so cool. I gotta read all the instructions. Accessories box. Let's set it down. Vito.
Yo.
What it do?
I'm looking at your video. You still live?
Yes, sir. I'm still live right now, unboxing my shit. Yeah.
All you do is plug those batteries in and I'll come over. Goddamn it! Do not fly that shit because you gonna fuck around and fly that shit to a wall.
Hey man, I got you. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna plug all the batteries and shit.
What you do is just plug the batteries in and I'll be over there. Your ass gonna fly that shit to a fucking tree somewhere and you gonna be pissed.
Hey, no, but this supposed to be. They told me this is idiot proof right here. That's what they say.
No, it's not. Listen to me. No, it is not. It's a learning curve.
Yeah.
I have 3 sons of bitches.
Well, I'm definitely gonna. I'm gonna plug them up. I'm gonna plug them up, man. I'm definitely gonna have to wait for you to come over here, man.
Yeah, I'll be over there. Most likely in about maybe 2-3 hours.
Yeah, I gotta go do a tour. I'll let you know as soon as when I'm on my way back. Cause how long ago I plugged up the controller. I'm finna plug up the batteries, all the batteries now.
Yeah, and let the batteries charge, and then once you get finished with the tow, then hit me back up.
All right. So how do I disconnect this battery? See?
Yeah, I'll bring over my smaller drone so you can start with that, and then you can then you'll see the feelings.
Okay. Well, I got you. As soon as I get, I appreciate it too, bro.
Yeah.
That's my man Vito, my engineer, man. All right now. That's my engineer, man. That's my engineer, man. He be helping me. He the one helping me with my studio and all that. So, how do you go in here? Do you go in here like this? So you just press down on there. Press down on there. Press down on there. Okay. All 3 batteries. And where do you plug in at? Or whatever. How do you work this? Okay. Oh, right here on the side. So you go right here. So wait. Okay, you gotta go like this. Hey, y'all, what it do, man? Mail call. We got a new drone, man. FHO getting into the drone business, man. I done spent a few dollars, man. I just spent a few dollars, man. Okay. I know I'm going to be reading instructions for the next couple of hours. Alright, got that. Sure, once we get my computer, I just spent about $3 grand on a new computer. See if I got some room to plug you up over here. Nope. Oh, yeah, we good. You in there? Set you right here. No, set you on top of here. All right, that's it. That's all. I'm gonna let my man V come over and fly my drone first. Fuck it up, Let him fuck it up, cause that's what he gonna do. What is this right here? I got all this shit. I gotta open up and see what this shit is. Oh. So I could have plugged this. Okay. And then, wait a minute. So that, no, because that's a USB. Oh yeah, because the back of that could have went in here. I guess that's what this is. No, I don't know what this is. Anyway, I'll figure it out. All right, y'all. Mail call. Waiting on one more. But I got my new drone. Am I smart enough? I got to put the blades on there. Oh, shit. Hold on. I don't want to break that. Okay. Get the blade. Oh, shit. Boom. Okay. Boom. The new Maverick S2. We on, baby. Yeah. Let me see. Yep. All right, y'all. Just wanted to share that. What up with it? My man, Mr. Lucas, Mr. Todd Lucas. I'm having fun playing. I got one more. I'm really waiting on my computer. I'm super excited about that, man. It's going to take me to the next level with my podcasting and stuff. So I'm super duper excited about that. Anyway, love y'all. Stay tuned for the shenanigans with the GoPro. With the drone, because I know it's going to be some. And hey, that's what it is. That's what it is. Shenanigans. Okay, what else we got? Oh, okay, all this stuff got to go back in there. Play it. I don't know what this brick is for, what that is for. Okay, this goes here. Got an accessory box that goes in here. Okay, that was in my accessories box. Okay, one. So what do you have? What the fuck? Alrighty, so this is weird. Alright. Anyway, y'all. Okay, here go all the blades. What is this? Screens. Okay, here go that. Alright, well, anyway. B-A. Got a bunch of extra blades and some other stuff. I got everything that I could get to go with it, so that's what it is. Anyway, leave all this right here. We got a lot of reading to do. Let me go get this toe done, and then we'll be back. We will be back. You understand me? What up, man? Okay. In the studio today. Freddy Chico Xbox. What do you mean Xbox? I don't want no Xbox. I don't play no games. I quit school because of recess. You understand me? And that's one thing I don't have is PlayStation, Xboxes, and all that shit. I had that shit a long time ago, but I haven't been into that shit lately. So, yeah, I got enough. This is all my Xbox shit right here. All these, you see all this shit right here? Goddamn computer screens, and there's another screen over there, and this screen over here, and all this shit. Matter of fact, I got to mail out my man USB card. I got all this shit right here. More computer, all this shit just to run a podcast. My camera, my other camera, there go my other camera right there. In the studio, y'all, we chilling on there. So y'all see my Al Pacino picture over there, signed by Al Pacino, signed by Robert De Niro. Anyway, from Scarface. That's an official gun, one of the guns that was used in the movie. So a lot of my trophies and awards. Yeah, it ain't my fault. Anyway, love y'all. Peace.